Hi everybody, in this video I am going to create an electronic or you can say digital signature to resolve the problem of many people of printing their memos or quotations and then signing hard copy and again scanning signed copy and sending to the concerned departments. Electronic or digital signatures save a lot of time if it's present in your computer or mobile, so you just have to copy and paste in the document you need. So we begin with the process. Take a blank paper and have it signed accurately. After signing it, you can scan it if you have a scanner with you to have better results, or otherwise you can use your mobile to take its picture like this. Now we will open the image in the Photoshop. If you can follow the procedure, then well and good. Otherwise, you can contact me. After the image has been opened, make another layer by pressing Ctrl J. Then make another layer of levels, and to adjust the background color, we have to make the background color completely white, so the signature is very sharp and visible. Use these filters until the background is completely white and the signature is very clear. Okay, now it seems very good. So select both layers, upper and lower, and merge both of them. Then go to select menu and select color range option. Then select the blue color and then increase the fuzziness to the highest point until we see that the signature is very clear. Press OK. Your signature will be selected. Then press Ctrl J to make another layer of just signature. Add new layer and fill it with the white background to check that the signature is very clear and good. Yes, it's appearing good. Now add another layer and fill it with black, so we can check that how will it look like on the black background. Yes, it is looking okay. It's okay. So now just we need to remove these all white area from the signature. Just crop all the extra areas around the signature, and we just need to focus on the signature. In this way we can also minimize the size of file also. If we see it from very near, we can see that there are some unfilled areas, empty areas. So to fill those areas, you just need to insert a new adjusting layer and fill it with the blue color. If you fill it with the black color, it will turn into black signature also. Now just save the file with any name in your any folder with the PNG format. And we are done. Now comes that how we will paste it on the Word file. So open the Word file, and wherever you want to put the signature, just click on that point and copy the signature in your folder and come to the Word file and paste that signature on that point. And in this way you will get the signature. Okay, now on PDF, open the PDF file and go to the option of sign. There click add signature, then upload signature. Upload signature from the location where it is present, then apply. As you will apply, it will appear on the mouse. Click on the place where you want to put the signature, then you can resize it accordingly. You can increase or decrease the size. There is also another option in the Word file. Go to insert and then signature line. There you can write your name or the manager name or who is the signatory and click OK. The signature with line will appear on the Word file. Just double click on the signature line and it will ask you to upload the signature. So you can upload the signature from the location and click OK. In this way the signature will appear. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.